birds we see the Kaaba high. Happy tears fall from our eyes. Round the Kaaba, 1, 2, 3. Safa Marwah, here we rule, following Hajar one by one, Hajar one by one. Drinking Zamzam, cool and sweet, tiny smiles and happy feet. Thank you Allah, Ya Imran. Thank you Mina, we all go. Tawaf, Arafah, full of dua. Please forgive us, Ya Allah. Muzdalifah under the sky, sleeping where the stars shine bright, picking pebbles one by one, ready for the Jamarat. Throwing stones and saying clear, Shaitan, go away from here. Qurbani for Allah today, helping people on the way. Haircut done, we smile with cheer. Adha now is here.